In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show Discord game activity. If you've ever wondered how people get that little playing status under their name on Discord, this is exactly what controls it. Turning on game activity lets your friends and communities see what you're playing in real time, which can make it easier to jump into games together or start a conversation. It's also fully optional and easy to toggle, so you stay in control of what you share. Start by opening Discord on your computer. Look down at the bottom left of the app window, right next to your avatar and username. You'll see a small gear icon. That's your user settings. Click it to open the Settings menu. Inside Settings, find the section labeled Activity Privacy. This is where Discord groups controls related to your activity status. Click into Activity Privacy and look for the option that says Share My Activity. Turn this on. That's the key switch that tells Discord to display the game you're currently running as your status. Once this is enabled, Discord will automatically detect many popular games and apps as you open them, and your status will update to show that activity. You don't need to type anything or manually set a status, it just works in the background. Give it a moment after you launch a game. Sometimes it takes a few seconds for the status to appear for you and your friends. A quick note on what others see. Your activity can be visible to your friends and in shared servers, depending on each server's settings and your privacy preferences. If you prefer a quieter presence later, you can return to the same activity privacy section and switch Share My Activity off at any time. Nothing else changes about your account, and your regular custom status still works as usual. If your activity doesn't show right away, that's often normal. Some apps don't broadcast activity data, and occasionally a game might need to be running for a short while before Discord recognizes it. Also, your online status, like online, idle, or do not disturb, doesn't prevent the activity from appearing, but it can affect how prominently you show up to others. And that's really all there is to it. Click the gear icon, go to Activity Privacy, and enable Share My Activity. With that single switch, your Discord presence becomes more interactive, making it easier for friends to see